This is a Hymer free 540. It's a lovely compact motorhome. It's 5.4 meters long, and what I like about it, amongst various things, is the fact that it's finished in this really lovely funky color. It's a little bit different to the norm, and the interior as well is a little bit different to what we're used to seeing in these vehicles. I'll show you that in a moment, but we'll head around the outside first of all. It's based on the Fiat chassis. It's got the multi-jet 3 engine, 140 horsepower, and it's got the 9-speed automatic gearbox on this one as well, so very smooth drive. But that looks lovely in that colour, doesn't it? Really smart. Let's have a stroll around and head inside. You probably noticed already it's got the pop top on this one, so you've got extra sleeping at the top, and that of course folds down flush for when you're driving. If we wander around here, there's a cassette for the toilet here. That's where you plug in your 240 volt power. Some very smart alloy wheels on this one. We'll come right round to the back. Reversing camera is tucked in underneath the high level brake light there. Yeah, that's very smart. Let's have a look in here. What you've got here, well, first of all, you've got your picnic table at the back, and your chairs are there, so that's very nice. And then what you can do here is, this is like a storage area here, almost like a sort of boot if you like, and you can actually secure things with these tie downs here. You can also lift this up, so that one there we can drop up like so. That one lifts up out of the way and clips up there, and that means if you wanted to put bikes in there or whatever else, then you've got the ability to do so. So that's very good. Let's close that one back up. There we go. And we will head on via this sliding door. There we go. The nice feature of this is they've put a bug screen in here, so this slides open like this, and it means that if you want to have that open but stop the mosquitoes from coming in or other little insects, then you can do so. Step power's out from here, that's already out as you can see. Fridge is here. This is neat because you can open this, get your drinks out without even getting into the vehicle, but if you're inside and you're using the kitchen, well then you open it that way. Nifty, huh? If we spin on around, we've got the monitoring systems up here, so this is giving us battery condition for the leisure battery, the engine battery, tanks and so on. Water pump is switched on here, and then power for the whole vehicle is there. Central heating is up here as well. That little feather's just for warming the regulator on the gas bottles so that you don't end up with frozen gas if you're somewhere really cold. There's a bit of storage up in here, and also a ladder is there as well, and that is so that you can access the pop top. So that basically goes onto here. That means you can walk up the ladder and access this area up here, which is just a big double bed. These unzip, so you've got windows there if you want them, or zip them up as they are now for privacy. You've got lighting up here as well, like this. And in fact, there's even little USB ports for charging your phone as well. If we come right up to the front, these seats swivel around as you can see, and they have the armrests that drop down as well. That's very nice. And then it's the standard Fiat controls, as I mentioned, automatic transmission, which is excellent. And then you've got the media screen there, so that's for your reversing camera and your phone and your maps and all that kind of stuff. That's all on there. Table is here. Now you can height adjust that. There is a little section that's attached to there, and it's mirrored down underneath, so you could drop that down, make that into a little bed. It's really just a child-sized bed. Don't think you get an adult on there, just gives you a bit more flexibility. The other thing that you've got here though is seat belts. So as well as the seat belts at the front, you've got 2 seat belts here, so 4 people can travel in this and sleep in this, which is excellent. It makes it a brilliant family vehicle. Storage up here and here, and this is what I was talking about, the interior. Now most of these, when you come inside, they're all wood inside, which is fine, but you know, not the most modern thing in the world. This is a lot more contemporary. This looks really smart and really up to date. There's almost no wood at all in this. That's very smart. Kitchen is over here. So you've got 2-burner hob, sink is underneath there, and then usual bits and pieces. So cutlery drawer underneath there, more drawers down underneath. That one there is a hanging rail, and so forth. And then you've also got a separate toilet, which for a compact vehicle like this is brilliant. So that slides back like that, loo in there, sink in there, and in fact there's a shower that pulls out from there as well. That's really good. Now if we head on back, this is the area that we saw when we opened those back doors. So you've got this area for putting your bits and pieces into, but also from a sleeping point of view, you can release a catch here. Let's drop that one back down, fold that back over, there we go, double bed. Fantastic. And as you'd expect, there are blinds that drop down over these, so they come down as bug screens when the window's open, and they go up as night screens. So you do have privacy here as well. You've also got power sockets in here and more storage about the place like so. For a compact van, they've got a lot into this, and as I say, the fact that you don't have the wood finishes everywhere, it's just a lot more contemporary, a lot more modern. Looks really, really smart. So there we are. I am going to take a seat, I think, up here. And I'm going to say huge thanks to the Irwin Hymer Centre for organising that tour. Massive thanks to you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on another one of these real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.